We are in Russia right now. Russia Vostochny. It's a place in the easternmost part of Russia, above North Korea. And you can see that many ships are waiting here. They are mostly bulk carriers and small containers, because this place is basically very famous for loading coal. They have a lot of coal reserves here in the easternmost part of Russia, that is near below Siberia and above North Korea. So you can see a lot of population is just on the edge of the coastal line. You can see the houses there only, and nowhere behind that. The mountains and the hills are totally empty. Nothing there, because this place is very cold. Now the temperature here is about 5 degrees. It's November, and December and in January, February, the whole sea, you can see the ice. The whole sea becomes ice here. Now it's still bearable. It's little windy today. And you can see a lot of bulk carriers. You see this bulk carrier. This is also bulk carrier, 7-hatch bulk carrier. Behind that also 7-hatch bulk carrier, and behind us this is also bulk carrier, and we also are bulk carrier. So a lot of bulk carriers for coal comes here, and all the decisions are being taken by the Moscow here. All the coal is being supplied by Moscow, and it gets delayed due to that. Cargo comes from Moscow. That's what they say. Or the decision taken by is always by the Moscow. So that's why we are just waiting. For example, we are waiting here from last 5 days and at anchor, and so the loading is very fast. Loading is about 1.5 to 2 days, and that's our port there. That's Vostochny, and if you see there, that's Nakhodka. So the both ports are very near to each other. Very famous ports in the eastern coast of Russia. It's near below Siberia and above North Korea, and very famous ports, both of them, and very near to each other. But you see the landmass is just this much stretch, and these ports are just very near to each other. Maybe I think half an hour, 40 minutes drive from each place. The population is very scarce and very less here, and mostly here you can see the ethnic Russians, not Chinese looking guys. It's very close to China and North Korea, so the people think that the people look like mostly like Chinese, or like ethnic Chinese or Koreans, but actually it's not. They are definitely looking Russians and Russian population. And this is, I've seen in the borders of China where Vostochny is here, but there's another port. I don't remember its name. Last time we went there in that port, that name was Vostochny, something like this. So that port was very near to North Korea, but you see the people there were ethnic Russians. You can see the structure, you can see the face. They are definitely not Koreans, they were definitely not Chinese, they are definitely Russian ethnics. So Russia has made sure that their own ethnic people are living near the borders, maybe to secure their borders very nicely. See, we came this side, and this side, that's Nakhodka. So they have made sure that the ethnic Russians are living on their borders. Russia has made sure, so that there is no encroachment from other countries ever. This is very good strategy to put your ethnic groups, own ethnic country groups around the border, so that no one comes up and take up your border. So this is November, and you can see the ice in winters. As we can see now, it's very cold. It's 5 degrees here, and at night goes -1, -2. It's sunny day. It's a bright sunny day and very nice. And this is me, and it's not so cold because it's sunny. Little windy, but bearable. You can bear this cold because it's not so much. 5 degree, 10 degree is okay. If there is sunshine and there's no wind, then it's definitely bearable. You can be around without sweater or without jumpers. That's it. Thank you.